Alright everyone, now we're moving on to a very important topic, layouts. At the beginning, I mentioned that layout is the main wrapper of our application. Inside the app folder, page.js defines the content, but layout.js wraps everything. So whenever we use children inside layout, that's where page.js gets rendered. Now let's see this in action. For example, inside layout, if I add a heading like "Welcome to our course," you'll see this text on every page because this is the global layout. Now, let's go to the blog page. Even though blog only has a page.js file, you'll still see "Welcome to our course." Why? Because the main layout wraps the entire application. Now here's the powerful part. We can also create a layout specific to a route. So inside the blog folder, I create a layout.js file. Then I define a component and pass children inside it. This children represents the blog's page.js. Now I add something like blog layout at the top. Let's see what happens. When I go to /blog, first, "Welcome to our course" comes from the global layout. Then, blog layout comes from the blog specific layout. And finally, blog page comes from page.js. So we now have a layered structure, global layout, route layout, and page content. This is the key idea. You can define a layout for each route if you want. If you don't define one, the global layout is used by default and wherever you place children. That's where the page content is rendered.